Hey, this is Garrett with ULA Equipment, and in this one we're talking about the ULA Flow water bottle holder. A shoulder strap accessory that's meant to make hydration accessibility easier, especially for those that might have mobility issues and can't quite comfortably reach into a side pocket. I'm going to be showing you all the different water bottles that fit inside of the Flow, as well as going over the different sizes that we offer, how to install the Flow, and just some of the features and materials that you can come to expect from it. So stick around. We want to make sure that the Flow is the right accessory for your next adventure. The Flow features a Cyberian CL Micro cord lock that allows quick access. Simply pull the tab open to grab your water bottle. When you're ready to store it, pull the tab closed. This allows for easier access while moving down the trail. The Flow comes in two sizes, a 700 milliliter and a 1 liter version. It was specifically designed for SmartWater bottles. The 700 milliliter version perfectly fits a LifeWater or SmartWater bottle, while the 1 liter version perfectly fits a 1 liter SmartWater bottle. It is also compatible with reusable 1 liter bottles like the CNOC Thru-Bottle, the CNOC Vesica, and other similarly shaped reusable bottles. The Flow is compatible with all ULA strap styles like the S, J, and hybrid of the Nexus, and in this clip you can see both sizes of the Flow attached to the S straps of the Dragonfly. Flow is made out of 420 denier Robic on the backside, as well as static mesh for the main body, and features two Duraflex 3/4 inch Gatekeeper G Hooks. The bottom G hook is adjustable, allowing you to better fit across all backpack brands as long as there's daisy chains along the shoulder strap. To install the Flow on a ULA shoulder strap, the top G hook is going to go right above the shoulder strap accent and the bottom 1 or 2 rungs of the daisy chain loop. To open the G hook for installation, simply squeeze the ends together to release the hook. And whenever you're ready to close it, simply thread it back alongside the gate.